Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem. That you hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem reverse an array. Okay, what the problem is saying is where you are given an array of integers and your task is to reverse the given array. Okay, so it's an easy category problem. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay, so let's first of all see the naive approach in order to solve this problem. Okay, so in this approach, what we are going to do is we are going to take a temporary array of the same size of the original array. Okay, and we are going to have a j pointer here. Okay, and what we are going to do is um, we will iterate the original array from last basically. So our I pointer will be here. So what are we going to do? We'll iterate through this array. We are going to add, right? We are going to add the element. Then we are going to increment j. We are going to decrement I. Okay. Add the element, increment j, decrement I. Okay, add the element, increment j, decrement I. Okay, so in this way we are going to solve this problem. We can solve this problem, but this approach, it is going to take what? Space time complexity, it is going to be O of n. That's right, but space complexity is going to be again O of n. Okay. Okay, so at the cost of space, we can solve this problem. But can we do better? Can we solve this in constant space? That is no extra space. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this problem. So again, like there are two approaches wherein we can solve this problem with no extra space. Okay, so we'll solve this problem in one of the expected approaches. Okay, so what we can do? Let me write. So we will travel. We will start the we'll iterate the array from start only, and we will from start till half of the array. Okay, and we don't need to iterate through the complete array. Okay, so what we're going to do, so here will be our I pointer. Okay, it will start from here. Okay, and so here let me also write the pseudo code. So it is going to be int temp equal to array of I. We are going to swap basically in order to reverse, right? So what we're going to do, we will swap the elements. We'll have this one pointer and another pointer here. Okay, and another pointer here, and we will swap. Okay, the elements. Okay. So when I is incremented, our next pointer will be, our another pointer will be here. Okay, another pointer will be here. So we're going to swap the elements like this. Okay. So how we'll do? So for example, in temp equal to array of I equal to array of n minus I minus 1. Okay, so this is our another pointer, we can say. This is our another pointer, n minus I minus 1. So for example, if our array is something like this, right? 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, right? This is our original array. So if I is here, so this n minus I, what it is going to give us? N is what? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 elements, right? 6 minus I. I is what? 0, minus 1, 5. So 5. So what is the fifth position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fifth position is this one, right? So this is our second pointer, right? So what we're doing here is we are swapping, if you see, right? In temp equal to array of I equal to array of n minus I minus 1, and array of n minus I minus 1 equal to temp. So what we're doing simply, I have already explained this, we are swapping the elements. Okay, we are swapping the elements, and we need not go. So for example, now we increment our I, right? So what will be n minus I minus 1? N is 6, I is 1, right? I is 1, right? I is pointing at first location, minus 1. So it will give us what? 4. So our pointer will be pointing here. Okay. So if you look, so now we'll swap here, swap the elements, right? And then again, I increment I. So I is less than n by 2, right? I is less than n by 2. What is n? 6. So 3. So I should be less than 3. So where is I currently? I is pointing at second location, right? So again, and what will be n minus I minus 1? 6 minus I is what? 2 minus 1, which will give us 3, right? So second pointer it is pointing here. N minus I minus 1 is pointing here. So we will swap again, right? And if you see now our I will be incremented, I will come here, but it will break this for loop because I is not less than n by 2 anymore. So I is 3, right? And n by 2 is 3. So it is not less, right? It is not less. So we'll break, but we will have our array sorted. So I hope you have got the intuition, right? I hope you have got the approach. Okay, so let's go and code. So before going to the code, I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel. Okay, because at the end of the day, your subscriptions motivate me to create solutions for you. Okay, so let's quickly see int n equal to array dot length for int I equal to 0, I less than n by 2 plus I. Okay, what are we going to do? In temp equal to air of I equal to air of n minus I minus 1. Air of n minus I minus 1 equal to 10, right? This is it. The C++ code will also be the same. I'll also attach the code in the comment section. Okay, let's submit this. So it is going to take time complexity of O of n and space complexity of O of 1. Okay, the tests are passed. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let's quickly see C++ code. Here, no difference. Only the difference is array of size. There it was array of length. Here it is array of size function. Okay, so this is it. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.